So it's Burton-On-Trent, United Kingdom, and some all-round weightlifting today. Let's see how it goes. Today I'm leaving United Kingdom and heading to the Netherlands, staying over one night out there. But yesterday I was doing weightlifting, and I think I'm satisfied with middle fingers deadlift of 183 kilos. Never done that in my training, so contest is the best place to do that. So see you in Amsterdam. Still in UK, and I was thinking to go to eat, but I found something else on the way, so let's try it. All right. So it's morning time in Amsterdam, and in a few hours I'm going to leave, going back home. So it's been a good time over here. Central Station, Amsterdam. Been so many times over here.